I'm Mike Anderson from Garage IQ, and today we're breaking down 17 reliable cars that are least affected by tariffs. Number 17. Acura Integra. Let's kick things off with a name that's making a comeback, the Acura Integra. Now, before you think, wait, isn't Acura Japanese? Yeah, it is, but this sporty little liftback is actually assembled in Marysville, Ohio, right alongside the Honda Civic. That means it's riding right past most tariff issues that jack up prices on imported vehicles. As for reliability, this thing has already picked up a top Safety Pick Plus from the IIHS, and it's built on Honda's reputation for long-lasting drivetrains. Sleek, sharp, and domestic enough to dodge the tariff storm. Number 16. Kia K5. This one surprises people. The Kia K5 isn't just stylish, it's also built right in West Point, Georgia. That's right, this South Korean brand has been assembling models in the US for over a decade, and the K5 is a direct result of that investment. And with fewer parts crossing borders, it's better protected from import fees. On the dependability side, Kia has climbed the ranks fast, landing among the top spots in J.D. Power's reliability surveys. So yeah, it's not just a looker, it's a smart buy. Number 15. Lexus ES. Here's one of those models that proves luxury and local don't have to be opposites. The Lexus ES might carry a premium badge, but it's built in Georgetown, Kentucky, in the same massive facility that cranks out Toyota Camrys. That domestic production gives it a serious edge in dodging tariff-driven price hikes. And when it comes to reliability, Lexus has basically become synonymous with bulletproof engineering. The ES is smooth, quiet, and backed by a history of top-tier longevity. Oh, and spoiler alert, this won't be the last Toyota product on this list. Number 14. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been a staple of American driveways for decades, and it's not hard to see why. Not only is it assembled in Ohio, but it's also packed with the kind of engineering that just doesn't quit. The current generation blends smooth performance with proven durability, and Honda's supply chain is heavily based in North America, which softens the impact of any new tariffs. If you want a mid-size sedan that doesn't flinch at high mileage or unexpected price swings, the Accord has you covered. Number 13. Toyota Camry. You probably knew that the Toyota Camry had to show up eventually. What you might not know is it's assembled in Kentucky, making it one of the most American sedans on the market in terms of production. That factory builds hundreds of thousands of Camrys a year, and it helps insulate this popular model from sudden import-related spikes. On the reliability front, it's a Camry. That means decades of near-legendary consistency, low repair costs, and a track record that rivals anything on the road. And hey, this won't be Toyota's only appearance either. Number 12. Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevy Malibu might not be flashy, but it's a quiet winner when it comes to dodging tariffs and sticking around for the long haul. First, it's built in Kansas City, Kansas, where GM's plant has been churning out cars for decades. That means no long boat rides, no border delays, and far fewer tariff complications than vehicles shipped in from overseas. Now, reliability-wise, the Malibu gets overlooked, but it's consistently scored above average dependability, especially in recent years as GM tightened up its quality control. It's also one of the few affordable mid-size sedans still holding strong on dealership lots. And for buyers who want simple, honest transportation without a surprise price tag, this one quietly makes a strong case. Number 11. Subaru Outback. Now here's one people often forget is built in the US, Lafayette, Indiana to be exact. That's right, the Subaru Outback may come from a Japanese brand, but the American-built versions are what you'll find on nearly every dealership lot. Subaru even makes most of the engines for US models locally, which helps limit tariff exposure even more. And when it comes to reliability, the Outback is a fan favorite for a reason. It's got that legendary boxer engine, standard all-wheel drive, and one of the highest owner satisfaction ratings in its class. Whether you're commuting or camping, the Outback's ready, and it's not sweating any tariff drama. Number 10. Ford Maverick. Small trucks are making a comeback, and the Ford Maverick is leading that charge. This thing is assembled in Hermosillo, Mexico, but here's the twist. It uses a significant amount of US-sourced components and falls under favorable trade agreements that help it bypass the worst tariff penalties. It's kind of the loophole pickup. Plus, Ford's supply chain is built to keep production within the Americas, so it's not bouncing parts halfway across the globe. Now, as for reliability, early reports are strong. The hybrid drivetrain especially has been impressively durable. And the fact that you can still grab a Maverick under $25,000, that's a rare combo of value, function, and resilience in today's market. Number 9. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma is a truck that's about as iconic as they come. Not only is it one of the most reliable trucks out there, it's also assembled right in San Antonio, Texas. That's no small thing. This plant produces hundreds of thousands of Tacomas a year, meaning it avoids the kinds of tariff spikes that affect trucks built overseas. And Toyota has been investing heavily in US-based truck production, keeping supply stable even when tariffs shift the playing field. Now, reliability? The Tacoma is legendary for it. We're talking over 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat if you treat it right. Whether it's hauling gear or just daily driving, the Tacoma keeps showing up. And now you know it's made close to home too. And not just that, this car ages pretty well, meaning that it has a high resale value. Because even the used car market is being affected by these tariffs. So you want a car that can maintain its value. Number 8. Tesla Model 3. You knew a Tesla had to be on here somewhere, and the Model 3 is easily the most tariff-proof EV on the market right now. Why? Because it's built in Fremont, California, with many of its parts manufactured domestically or sourced through Tesla's vertical supply chain. While some automakers scramble to move production or navigate complex tariffs on batteries and EV components, Tesla's been playing the long game, keeping things in-house as much as possible. And that gives the Model 3 a unique shield from international pricing shocks. As for reliability, the early days were rocky, sure, but recent models have cleaned up their act in a big way. Owners report strong build quality, fewer service issues, and surprisingly low maintenance costs, especially compared to gas-powered cars. Add in over-the-air updates that actually improve the car over time, and you've got a tech-forward ride that dodges tariffs and quietly matures into a smart, long-term pick. Number 7. Toyota RAV4. Our next Toyota is one that is everywhere, the RAV4, and for good reason. Not only is it one of the top-selling vehicles in the country, but the majority of US market RAV4s are assembled in Woodstock, Ontario, and in Toyota's Kentucky and Alabama plants, making it mostly North American sourced. That kind of regional manufacturing keeps it well insulated from overseas tariff waves. But reliability is where the RAV4 really earns its stripes. This thing is a workhorse. Whether it's the gas-powered version or the hybrid, the RAV4 regularly shows up at the top of consumer reports and J.D. Power rankings. And with Toyota's careful attention to parts sharing and long-term maintenance planning, you're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind. Number 6. Ford F-150. America's best-selling truck isn't just a powerhouse on the job site. It's also pretty good at tariff evasion. The Ford F-150 is proudly built in Dearborn, Michigan and Claycomo, Missouri, with most of its parts sourced from within North America. That gives Ford an edge when global trade gets bumpy. Instead of rerouting supply chains or adjusting sticker prices, Ford just keeps cranking out F-150s from the heart of the Midwest. And here's the thing, this truck isn't just popular because it's patriotic. It's reliable in every sense of the word. Whether it's hauling, towing, or just getting you to work every day, the F-150's proven engines, high resale value, and strong safety scores make it one of the most dependable full-size pickups on the road. And don't sleep on the hybrid variant. It's not only fuel efficient, it's been shockingly durable according to early reports. Number 5. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a compact SUV that's as practical as it is strategic. What sets it apart? It's built in Indiana and Ohio, and Honda has gone out of its way to use US-made engines and transmissions in the CR-V lineup. That domestic focus helps it dodge tariffs that would normally jack up prices on crossovers imported from overseas. Even the hybrid variant, which used to be built overseas, is now produced in North America to sidestep extra fees. And on the reliability front, The CR-V is basically the poster child for long-term ownership, consistently earning high marks for durability, minimal maintenance costs, and excellent resale value. This SUV checks every box. Families love it. Commuters trust it. And thanks to Honda's smart manufacturing choices, the CR-V is one of the safest bets if you're trying to avoid unexpected costs down the road, tariff-related or otherwise. Number 4. Chevrolet Colorado. This one might fly under the radar, but the Chevy Colorado is quietly one of the most US-made trucks on the market. Its final assembly is done in Wentzville, Missouri, with major parts heavily sourced within North America. Chevy's tight supply chain gives the Colorado a built-in defense against sudden price hikes from overseas tariffs. And that makes a big difference when you're looking for long-term value. But let's talk dependability. The Colorado doesn't just look the part, it works. The newest models have made big strides in powertrain durability, especially with the 2.7-liter turbo engine that replaced older options. It's a no-nonsense mid-size truck that delivers solid towing, rugged off-road trims like the ZR2, and a comfortable ride in daily driving. For those who want a tough, tariff-proof workhorse that won't let you down, this one's a top-tier pick. Number 3. Ford Mustang GT. For this next one, we're taking a sharp turn into muscle territory with the Ford Mustang GT. Built in Flat Rock, Michigan, the Mustang isn't just an American icon, it's an American-made icon. Most of its key parts, including the legendary 5.0-liter V8, are also US sourced, meaning you won't see it hit hard by global pricing disruptions. And reliability? You might not expect a muscle car to rank high, but the Mustang GT has matured in recent years. Ford's done a solid job refining the platform, and owners report consistent build quality, strong resale value, and engines that hold up beautifully with proper care. It's not just a weekend toy anymore. It's a daily drivable performance machine with old-school spirit and modern-day longevity. Number 2. Tesla Model Y. If we're talking about cars that dodge tariffs with style, the Tesla Model Y is a heavyweight. Built in Fremont, California, and now also coming out of Giga, Texas, this electric SUV was practically designed to avoid international supply headaches. Tesla's strategy of vertical integration, which includes controlling everything from battery production to software updates, means they're less exposed to the kind of global parts disruptions that force other brands to raise prices. And in terms of reliability, the Model Y is hitting its stride. Earlier build issues have smoothed out, and owner reports now highlight low service needs, strong battery health, and regular software updates that actually improve the car over time. It's one of the most popular EVs in the US for a reason. You get the tech, the space, the performance, and the reassurance that you're not going to be blindsided by tariff-induced markups. Number 1. Tesla Model 3 Performance. The most tariff-proof and reliable car on the list is the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Not only is it built right here in the US, but Tesla's aggressive use of domestic suppliers and US-made components puts it in a class of its own when it comes to avoiding tariffs. This isn't a car that gets priced out by foreign policy shifts. It's a homegrown speedster with a direct-to-consumer model that helps keep costs in check. But it's not just about price protection. The Model 3 Performance combines sharp handling, blistering acceleration, and quiet efficiency with exceptionally low maintenance needs. Fewer moving parts, fewer breakdowns, and strong owner satisfaction across multiple model years. If you're looking for a car that delivers reliability, performance, and tariff immunity all in one, this is the crown jewel. And don't forget, the used car market is feeling the tariff ripple too. As tariffs raise new car prices, more buyers are shifting their focus to reliable American-built used cars, which means demand and prices are creeping up. If you're thinking long-term, a well-maintained used version of one of these models could actually appreciate in value, or at least hold its ground better than imports with high exposure to tariff shifts. We've shown you the most tariff-resistant, reliable vehicles you can buy in the US right now, but we want to hear from you. How do you feel about tariffs affecting the car market? Are you sticking with American-made? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if this helped you out. See you in the next video.